Meet the boy and his father. The boy is wearing a hat and his father is holding a hammer.
Hello, friends.
The boy helps his father build the house.
Mummy is bringing pancakes and honey. Wow, I like honey.
The boy and his sister are happy, enjoying pancakes and honey.
Yummy. Look,
A horse is here to join the family.
this is our horse.
The boy is gently brushing the horse's hair. Look how shiny it is.
Wow, its hair is so shiny.
Let's say the sound in hat, hammer, house, honey, horse, hair. Hat, hat. Hammer, hammer. House, house. Honey, honey. Horse, horse. Hair, hair.